this is Patrick from TechTheLead, and I'm so excited to be testing out the Zhiyun Weebill Lab. This will be our honest review, testing out the things we like, we don't like, how stable it is, and if this is the perfect gift for you or the videography enthusiast in your life this holiday season. So stay tuned. The tripod it comes with is a very nice finish to it. It has a leather-like material that allows for stronger grip. It comes with a battery pack and charger. The double quick release plate with an extra weight in case your camera needs to be weighted down or be lifted up a slight. This case here holds all the charging cables that you may need. What makes the Zhiyun Weebill Lab special is its innovative design. Not only can you hold it in upright mode, but you can also detach the tripod and attach it right here. So you can have easier and more ergonomic underslung shots. One other really cool thing about this tripod piece is that you can actually lock it in place. In addition, there are locks on the pan, tilt, and roll axis that make it easier for you to either carry this in your backpack, super travel friendly, or to help you balance the gimbal by locking 2 of the 3 axes and then just balancing the third. So I have my Zhiyun Weebill Lab set up with the Sony Alpha 6500 and a 24-70. This lens is a full frame lens, so it might seem a little big for this setup, but it's perfectly fine and balanced. The Weebill Lab has a weight capacity of 6.6 pounds, and I believe that's 3 kilograms. So really it was made with these small mirrorless camera and mirrorless camera setups in mind. So the Zhiyun Weebill Lab comes with 6 inherent different modes that you can use. Pan, follow, and lock switch here switches between the lock and pan follow mode. The first is lock mode, so it keeps your camera orientation the same. All 3 motors are locked. Pan follow, on the other hand, locks to the axis but allows the pan to follow, as the name suggests. Go mode is more of a sporty mode. Really allows the motors to rev up and go super quickly, really used for high-speed action. Follow mode, on the other hand, allows your pan and tilt to follow with the camera. Point of view gives you 45-degree maximum rolls to each side. Finally, the last mode that they've added to the Weebill Lab is the Vortex Mode. So, 360-degree spin. To get to this, you double-click the POV button on the back, and then you use the joystick to do the infinite barrel roll. So I just want to say again that this is in no way a comprehensive review. I've only had a couple days with the gimbal and haven't had time to really master it. However, I will say I do love the direction Zhiyun is going in. I think this gimbal is perfect for people with lighter camera setups, like mirrorless cameras, people who are looking to travel with the gimbal to really just go anywhere. However, if you have a heavier camera setup, you might want to wait for the Crane 3 Lab. But again, I look forward to sending out a more comprehensive review of this gimbal once I spent more time with it. So stay tuned on TechTheLead.